Spring is almost here, and with it, the annual Harp Festival to be held here in Gallery Caernarfon, the Wales Harp Festival. And this year, we are delighted to welcome a crowd of harpists from Ireland. Indeed, 8 of them with their teachers, Denise Kelly and Clina Doris. We'll have a course for young and older harpists, exhibition of harps, a lecture on a legend, or maybe a little grain of reality in it as well, by Dr. Sally Harper, on the early Welsh prince, Gruffydd ap Cynan, whose mother was Irish, and who apparently brought some Irish harpists over to Wales, and then took Welsh harpists over to Ireland and held a medieval council in Glenachlach, which is probably Glendalough in County Leinster, Ireland. Following Dr. Sally Harper's lecture on the 12th of April, there will be the annual Nancy Richards harp competition for young Welsh harpists. It'll be a very significant event. And then on the final night of the festival and the course, there'll be the Harps of the Irish Sea concert with very spectacular artists indeed.
Hi to everybody in Wales. My name's Denise Kelly MacDonald.
And I'm Clina Doris.
And these are the members of the DIT Harp Ensemble. We're really looking forward to the visit to Wales. We look forward to our concert on the Thursday night, and we're all going to be participating in master classes and classes in traditional Irish music. You're going to have uilleann piper and also bodhrán playing. So we look forward to everything. See you then. Bye.
Bye.